What is the social media advertising and social media management? The friends, very important. Your business and highly targeted your customer audience, and very important. The digital marketing and the part of social media advertising and social media management, social media marketing. So I can present my videos, social media advertising and social media management. When it comes to digital marketing, social media is one the new channel that your business, brand and the other are using reach and the targeted audience platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and etc. And many more. The others provide the extend new opportunity to tell and engage his stories, increase your brand awareness, and boost your sales and big revenue earning and earn make money, gain make money. Where likely there was those opportunity and this many benefits of marketing on social media. But do you know when to kind of digital marketing service help to achieve them? That's right, we said several that end. Social media marketing and social media management. The social media marketing is really an enable stream. There are refers to several different type of service. Two of the most important are social media advertising and social media management. Well, they might sound very same, and there are some major difference between two. The however discuss are read to and Trump more about and the several are these clothes and learn successfully campaign and really content with your audience. Social media advertising. Social media advertising including creating and extend strategy effective, engaging and powerful content in front targeted audience and specific social media platform. When it is increased sales generation lead or just gain the more followers, the proper of this content can vary effective and essential content in create and publish with the specific goal in mind. Brand will obtain have defense campaign going the same that it is easy which earn add on some of the conference and regions the difference the service type. However, advertising is the competitor of marketing. Social media advertising part of social media marketing. Social media management. Another important part of social media marketing is social media management. This is several discuss and more use the social media account and difference however brand particular on a give the platforms is can make instruction with the potential client and customers. So social media platform via comment, direct message, point, contain, keeping all information one can accounts up to data and much more this service. Social media marketing ensure you are using social media platforms. authorical and currently. Engaging with the targeted audience is just as important as great content in front because obtaining instruction with his brand on social media that influencer use and think of social media management service as what will take your social media gain to next level, help you stand from the others brand and your business competitor and attention use the platforms better together. Social media advertising and social media management service is essential for any business that want to find success, arraying the targeted audience, and monetarily engaging with is the social media. They work trading and one of the another help the international authorize and grow your business, convert the potential customer in customer relationship with customer and provide values use. Your business can extend behind of the best social media making. Friends, social media advertising and social media management, social media marketing. The digital marketing, the most powerful, the platform social media marketing and social media management, digital marketing service. The social media advertising increase sales, generate lead, and gain more followers, products, content, etc. Social media management. Social media marketing is social media management. It is the service deals more your social media account different between the brand products. And the social media advertising or social media marketing, paid social media management, content marketing, video marketing, graphic design, etc. etc. Friends, I can some repeat again to very important part of social media. Any business and development, your brand value, and your uh, business targeted the customer, how to make money, goal your business, goal your brand, and the social media advertising and the social media management. When the customer to digital marketing and social media news channel that your business. The targeted audience on a specific social media platforms. Increase sale, boost up your sale, your small business, large business, medium business, any business the targeted to achieve and the customer must be social media marketing and highly reach your business. But social media management is important part. The lot of social media accounts, the how to search on Google search bar, the type of social media, the social media site or social media site list. Google can provide lot of social media site. The top 10 social media site. You can use your business top 10 social media account and social media management as like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, etc. etc. The more social media account you can use and target it your business. The very important topics, my class, my tutorial. Please subscribe, comments, and like, share. The very important point: social media advertising and social media management, social media marketing. The under of digital marketing, the best and powerful marketing, social media advertising, and social media management. Thank you. Best of luck.